a brand new, never before taught sequence with our Weekly Thursday class. How it begins, pretty easy. At the end of a sugar push, leaders transfer right into right. However you wish to do that in a more complex nature, that's fine. We just did a right to right because of the time restraints the class has. So at the end of the sugar push, right to right, leaders move off to the lady's left, 2 walks, 1, 2, full turn to her left, 3 and 4, picking up her left hand with your left. Okay, so we're going to go front to back just to get that part. After the sugar push, I'm going to switch hands. I'm going to move over, I'm going to walk, 3 and 4. Stephanie's on the right foot, I'm on my left. So from there, we're going to get into the more complex part of the move. Right to right. We're going to stop on 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And what Stephanie's going to do is, and 5. So with her weight on her right foot, we're going to lead her back. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. I didn't do my part yet. I didn't do anything really. By and 5, Stephanie's on her right foot. Okay, the 2 counts. You're accelerating that count. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. So I'm starting it on her left, making it go back on her right. Now, leaders, you have to match her footwork. So you're going to change it over to the lady's footwork. So while she's, for 1 second, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm on my left, but then 4 and 5, I come back on my right for and I don't move again for 5. So we're both on her footwork. So leaders, you're going to have to adjust your footwork. She's not going to care. Just sending them in 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, come forward on the left foot on 6, which I'm also going to do coming forward on my left foot. So going front to back. Sugar push. 3 and 4, switching hands. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. That is a prep for her to the right. So at the end of the sugar push, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. You're going to go 7 and 8, 9, and 10. So it's a turn and a half to the lady's left, using your left hand, her right. So we're going to go this way. It's a really cool move. It's a quick move, but then and 5 is the key. Triple step here. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you end up in a left to left. Okay. What the guys got to do at the end of the, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. Bring her forward. She's going to do a triple step. Triple step. I haven't moved yet for that first triple, but the second triple step, I convert myself back to my footwork. So I have to wait for 1 triple while she's turning, and then I get back on my footwork. Again, if she doesn't need enough, 3 and 4, right to right. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10. And then from there, walk, or a pass. Okay, whatever you want to do. We just went in there left to left. That and 5 is really cool. You can accentuate that on a break in the music, however you want to do it. So a sugar push. First get in the right to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then I do my triple. Let her go by. Send her through. If that's your choice. Thank you, Steph. Thank you, guys. We hope you like that. It's brand new. It's another one from my N5 series. I got 2 others. This is N5 3.0. Pretty creative, huh? But thanks, guys. Hope you like it. Please use it. Remember to subscribe for a free video every week. We'd appreciate it. And until next time, as always, keep dancing. Bye-bye.